Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to contact a seller of the item that you bought on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you bought an item on eBay and you want to go ahead and contact the seller who sold you the item. How do you actually go ahead and do this? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is hop onto the eBay app, and then next what you're going to do is you're going to click on my eBay icon on the bottom left hand corner. Once you've done so, you want to click on purchases or your order history, and then from here you're going to see a list of items that you've bought from eBay. In order to contact the seller from an item that you bought, go ahead and click on the item, and then towards the middle of the screen you're going to see blue text buttons that say leave feedback and more actions. Go ahead and click on more actions and then click on contact seller. So this right here is where you can simply just go ahead and contact your seller. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and contact the seller on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.